Let's get things over to Weather First meteorologist Grayson Freund. You're tracking some severe weather moving through the area.
Yeah, so we kind of had the round one of the rain and storms move through the area overnight into this morning. Things are starting to kind of settle down right now as all of that activity starts to move off to the east, but we're not in the clear just yet. We do have another round that will be moving through as we head throughout this afternoon and into this evening. Temperatures right now, though, pretty warm across most of the area. Where we had that heavier rain move through within the last few hours, it's a little bit cooler up there towards Decorah, 73 degrees right now, 75 in Olwine, 77 in New Hampton. But the further south you go, the warmer it gets. 82 right now here in Cedar Rapids, 87 in Iowa City, and close to 90 degrees already down in Oskaloosa. But no matter where you are, it's feeling pretty humid out there. We have dew points sitting in the 70s, even close to 80 degrees. Again, the further south you go, kind of south of I-80. So we're feeling humid, muggy, warm, all the things. That's going to be the story as we head throughout the rest of this afternoon, where we'll have that high heat, that high humidity that will put our heat index values into the 80s, 90s, even triple digits for some areas, again, along and south of I-80, where we do have some heat advisories in effect right now throughout the rest of this evening. But taking us through the next few hours here, we'll have a mix of sun and clouds. The rain should hold off here for the next few hours, but as we head towards the afternoon and evening, we'll have that round two move through, and some of these storms that do develop could be on the stronger side. We do have a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe storms across really most of the area. This means that maybe 1 or 2 isolated storms could turn strong. Main threats that we'll be watching out for there are some heavy downpours with a secondary threat of some wind as well. So timing this all out here, again, we'll have those rain chances starting to increase, I think around 2-3 o'clock, and that main time frame for any severe development will likely be between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. That's when those storms will start to move their way off to the east. We could see maybe 1 or 2 isolated storms develop through the overnight hours as this cold front sweeps through, as well as into early Tuesday morning. But that front is really going to be our friend in the sense that it's going to start to bring in some cooler air as we head throughout the rest of the week. So Tuesday, we can expect partly cloudy skies. It's still going to be pretty warm with temperatures in the mid 80s. Humidity is going to be staying elevated as well. So really today and tomorrow going to be definitely our hottest and most humid days of the week. But then by Wednesday, we have this really nice drop off. We'll have temperatures falling to around 80 degrees. We're still going to be in this sticky range throughout the rest of the work week. So it's going to be still feeling a little bit humid, but really nothing compared to what it's going to be feeling like today and tomorrow. And we have even cooler weather expected as we head into the upcoming weekend. So just got to get through the next few days here. We'll have temperatures staying in the mid and upper 80s for both today and tomorrow, with those chances for some isolated storm activity later this afternoon and into early Tuesday. Then by Wednesday, high pressure settles in, start to dry things out for us and cool things down. Temperatures fall to around 80 degrees both Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then for the upcoming weekend, could be seeing some temperatures in the mid and upper 70s.